You know that feeling when you really want to push a button, but you don't want to get out of your seat to do it? Well, now there's a way to do it. This is my ES50 final project. It consists of a microphone, an Arduino, LEDs, and a couple of servo motors to push buttons when you don't want to get up to do it. If you clap twice, the servo motor turns to push the button, and an LED turns from red to green to signal that the device has been turned on. But sometimes you want to push more than just one button. So if you clap 3 times, a second motor, a different motor, turns to push a different button, and a different LED light triggers between red and green to signal that that device has been turned on. All of the power comes from the Arduino. When the microphone senses a sound that is above a certain threshold, the Arduino waits 1/10 of a second to wait for the sound to finish reverberating, and then continues to check for half a second after that to hear if a second clap or a third clap is made, and repeats this again up to 3 times to see if up to 3 claps are made, and then turns the appropriate servo and switches the appropriate LED. Now let's see it in action. Now let's say we want to hook up the clapper to, say for example, an electric space heater. For example, we could have one of the buttons attached to the on and off switch, and the other one attached to a setting that controls how high the heat is. All we'd have to do in this case, for example, is clap twice to turn it on, and clap 3 times to toggle between high and low heat settings. So to turn it on, we could clap twice. And now it's on. And if we want to switch it between high and low, and now we push the other button. And if we ever wanted to check whether it was on or off for safety, for example, or to know whether it's high or low, all we'd have to do is look at the 2 LEDs. The first one would signify that it's on, and the second one would signify whether it's high or low. The best part is, all of this is versatile, so you can connect it to any device that you want, and it can easily be scaled up to include multiple buttons with multiple claps representing the different buttons. And the thresholds could also easily be changed because it's all done in code in the Arduino. And so, now we have a device that finally allows you to click any amount of buttons that you want on any device that you want without needing to get up across the room. Far more versatile than the original clapper.